Tony, welcome. My first video. Very cool neighborhood. Lots of custom built homes. Private gate over there and garage over here. They're getting a new roof on it today, which will come with a warranty. Walking through, this is the front entrance. This is awesome. So we'll walk back through over here. This is a laundry room. And this is the first garage. This is a 2-car. And I'm gonna walk you back through this way. So you got one living room right here and then like a dining room. This is a sweet little half bath before you enter into the master. And this is amazing. We're running short on time because they actually have back-to-back showings. But this opens up as a window and then that's a door right there. So you can walk back out in the pool area. But nice little bedroom in here. This is the beautiful master bathroom. Super tall ceilings with a sweet beam up there. Nice finishes. It's just really cool. This is a big old window out to the pool area. Just really sweet. And my favorite part, they added a little hobbit door. And this bad boy opens right up into your pool area. It's all turf. Has a water slide, has a little grotto area, has the area where you can sit, big sitting area around the whole pool. And the whole pool is fenced already, which is a big plus. This thing is not heated. I'm gonna walk you back through. So this house, they are willing to negotiate all of the furniture and furnishings. So that comes off the master. This is like their outdoor patio sitting area. Massive backyard with big space. Zoom in. Already set up sport court area for kids. It's lit. This, we'll walk back through here. This is another little separate dining area with a chef's pantry, which is great. That also leads to outside, more storage. This is another living room. So you have almost 2 secondary living rooms. Super tall ceilings with this centerpiece fireplace I love. Kitchen is awesome. Some of the appliances are a little dated, but you do have double oven. So we could get a little creative here, but nice Sub-Zero. Still the tall ceilings. She did a great job furnishing. So I'll take you to the other side for the other bedrooms in here. Cool thing about this house is it does have a casita. This is another fully redone bathroom ready to go. Here's another one of the bedrooms. This one's super dark, but very big. You fit king size bed in there still. Same thing in here. Maybe update the closets if you did anything, but this thing's pretty ready to go, Tony. All right, we're gonna walk all the way out back. Some of my favorite parts, and what makes this really cool for Airbnb is you got secondary living space. This is where that gate comes out. That's an electric gate. So you can park back here. Plenty of room for toys. But cool thing here, we'll go into the first casita. Sweet little area here. But you walk in, French doors on that side, full kitchen in here. Full bathroom too, which is sweet. With the shower still, nice. And we're back out. Bedroom. Really cool. Really cool. leads out to your back patio. That's a gas fire pit. That's a separate shop. Okay. So pretty big in here. He's just got a lot of big stuff. So this area would be really livable. You could probably get a couple beds and or bunk beds in there. But this leads out back to the shop, which would be the coolest man cave. And it is heated and cooled. So he did a really nice job in here. All of this is metal, stainless steel, fireplace in here, like I said, heated. He does have this mini split going. Already got TV out here, toolboxes, insulated garage door, man door there, man door there, man door there, and then double slider out to the sport court area. Katie told me that I need to keep this bad boy under 8 minutes, so I'm gonna keep the video going. We're gonna walk out here so you get an idea of property line. But property line is all the way here. She said the neighbors, very reasonable. They got lots of toys too, but amazing. Lots of potential. They got a little BMX track thing going back here. But all right, Tony, you get an idea. That's it. This is an irrigated lot. Hope you enjoy.